Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Bitcoin hardware wallet. First, carefully unbox your new device and connect it to your computer or smartphone. You'll then need to install any required companion software or mobile applications. Follow the on-screen prompts for the initial setup, which usually involves setting a PIN and checking the device's authenticity. This ensures your wallet is ready for secure use. Next, generate your recovery seed phrase directly on the device. This phrase, typically 12 or 24 words long, is crucial for restoring your funds if your wallet is lost or damaged. Write these words down accurately on the provided recovery sheet. Store this physical copy in a highly secure, private place, and never digitize or share it with anyone, as it is the ultimate key to your Bitcoin. To receive Bitcoin, generate a new receiving address on your hardware wallet and carefully verify it on the device's screen. Then, send Bitcoin from another wallet or exchange to this address. When sending Bitcoin, initiate the transaction through your wallet's software, confirm the details like the amount and recipient address on the device itself, and then approve the transaction securely. Finally, always prioritize security. Keep your hardware wallet's firmware updated to the latest version to benefit from security enhancements. Use a strong, unique PIN for your device and never share it. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts or scams that try to trick you into revealing your seed phrase. Regularly review your recovery seed phrase's storage to ensure its continued safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.